Luna, I finished it up. The new house. Bitch, you like my couch more. Go inside. I swear, if I was a cat, I would live in this house. Luna. Luna. She's like, what is that? Oh. No, actually, it's a regular box. I don't know from what, but I taped it with this thingies I had. Now it looks so pretty. Like me. And my Luna. Go inside. Now. No. Okay, now it's not working. She always needs time to adjust to new things. Just like humans. Literally just like humans. These animals are wonderful.